Alarms Plus offers specialized fire alarm solutions for businesses and residents in Morris County and nearby townships. Comprehensive services include installation, regular maintenance, and inspections of both residential and commercial fire alarm systems. Alarms Plus serves towns like Parsippany Troy Hills, Mount Olive, and Newton in Morris and Sussex counties. The company offers advanced fire detection technologies tailored to meet specific property needs. Alarms Plus provides emergency central station monitoring and reliable repair services for fire alarms.